How to fix Bluetooth on off button is missing in your Windows. So if you want to fix Bluetooth on off button is missing on your Windows, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your settings. Under settings, you need to go with the left side and you need to search for troubleshoot. Go with troubleshoot settings. Under troubleshoot settings, you need to go with other troubleshooters, and here you will get the Bluetooth option, right? So you need to go with run, which is on the right side, and run the troubleshooter for Bluetooth. After running the troubleshooter, then it will ask you to apply the fix. You just need simply go and apply the fixes. After applying, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix, then the second step is to turn on your Bluetooth services. So you need to just go with the services section, open up your services. After opening your service, now here you will have three services, which is Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service, Bluetooth Support Service, and Bluetooth User Service. So what you need to do is just simply select the services, select the first one, right click on it, go with the properties section, and under properties, you need to go with the startup type is automatic. And if you have stopped the service, then you just need to simply go and start the service and then apply an OK. In the same way, you need to go with the second service, go with properties, start the service, automatic, and then go with apply and OK. And do the same thing with the third one. And after this, you need to go back and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you need to go with the third method, right click on your Windows and go with the device manager option. Under device manager, now you need to go with the Bluetooth section, and under Bluetooth, just select the Bluetooth, right click on it, go with the properties. Under properties, you need to go with the driver and then go with update driver. After updating your Bluetooth driver, then your problem might be fixed. Go with update driver and go with the first option, and if it says already installed, then you can go with the second one and then browse your computer for your drivers and then update. After updating your Bluetooth, then your problem might be fixed. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.